Today I would like to show you a quick chest opener which you can do at home. Today I will show it from the yoga wall, so stay tuned to the end of the video where I give you the tip on how to create your own chest opening practice at home. So we do this because we need to breathe more, we need to have more energy through oxygen going into our bodies. And so when we are working on our computers and when we're on our phones, we are constantly tightening up the front body. So here at the yoga wall, I have Salla. So now place your arms into the belt. So she puts them in, crosses the hands behind, and then the elbows will, or the whole arms will be pulled back to the wall. So now, walking forward with the feet parallel, so see that the toes are not turned out or in, and then work the bottom of your belly, so to keep the front body open, and then leaning forward. So you see your shoulders will be pulled back. I do that now for her a little bit, so you really see that, yeah, there's this big chest opener where your whole pectoralis muscles here in the front is stretched open. The head hanging forward so the neck can release, and then take deep breaths. So breathe into your chest. So remember to always breathe into the chest and never into the belly, because this is where the lungs are. So now we are creating more space for the lungs in your chest. So you can hold this as long as it feels okay, like 9 breaths, maybe 18 breaths. And then when you're ready, slowly step back, come out, taking the arms out, and then do a few shoulder rolls, like gentle shoulder rolling. Now I'm going to show you how you can create that yoga wall experience at your home. So you will need a block. Many of those blocks work, also the cork blocks. This is a little bit of a bigger one. And then you will also need a belt. The belt has to be long. This is a 10-foot, which is a bit over 3 meters long. And then just make it with a good buckle, which is also very important. And then make just a very big loop. So now I'm going to place this belt around the block, like that. And then the block will go behind a door. So that means you choose a door which closes to you, and usually entrance doors works very well for that. And then this block will be on the other side of the door, so you will have the belt hanging from the door. And then you can do exactly the same. I have created a video on how to create your yoga wall experience at home, so I will link that here. And if you feel benefit from the videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I see you in a new video.